This is the story of one of the most embarrassing product launches in recent automotive history. When Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in November 2019, they weren't just showing a new truck. They were promising a revolution in vehicle durability and safety. Elon Musk took the stage with his characteristic confidence, ready to demonstrate why the Cybertruck would change everything. The centerpiece of this demonstration was supposed to be simple yet profound, proving the truck's windows were literally unbreakable. Tesla had spent years developing what they called armor glass, a special polymer-layered composite designed to withstand extreme impacts. The claim wasn't just marketing high PR boldly. They genuinely believed this glass could stop bullets, let alone steel balls. To prove this, they devised what seemed like a straightforward test: throw a steel ball at the window and watch it bounce harmlessly away. If successful, this would validate years of engineering work and justify the truck's bold, futuristic design. The atmosphere was electric. Investors, fans, and journalists were all watching, waiting to see this proof of concept. Little did anyone know that what happened next would become one of the most replayed moments in tech history. When the first steel ball left its launcher and hurled toward the Cybertruck window, everyone braced for impact. What happened instead was a loud, unmistakable crack that echoed through the auditorium. The glass didn't bounce the ball away. It fractured, sending a spiderweb of cracks radiating from the point of impact. For a split second, there was stunned silence as everyone processed what they had just seen. Elon's face, visible to the live audience and millions watching online, showed a flicker of surprise that quickly turned to determination. "Wow, that didn't work," he muttered under his breath, but loud enough for the microphones to catch. Instead of acknowledging the failure and adjusting the demonstration, he made a fateful decision. "Let's try again," he said, already reaching for another steel ball. The team quickly reloaded the launcher while Musk maintained his characteristic bravado, joking about the room for improvement in the glass. What followed was perhaps even more painful to watch: the second throw, with seemingly identical force and trajectory. This time, the result was catastrophic. The window didn't just crack, it shattered completely. Glass fragments flew inward as the steel ball penetrated what was supposed to be an impenetrable barrier. The audible gasp from the crowd was immediately followed by laughter, then applause, not for the success they'd hoped for, but for the sheer absurdity of the failure. In the age of smartphones and instant sharing, the clip of this failure spread faster than any successful demonstration could have. Within minutes, the broken window footage was trending on Twitter, now known as X, with millions of views. Internet jokes began circulating almost instantly, comparing the Cybertruck windows to everything from potato chips to tempered glass in a microwave. The hashtag Cybertruck window began trending globally, dominating conversations about the launch. What should have been a validation of Tesla's engineering prowess became instead a worldwide joke at the company's expense. Financial analysts immediately began questioning the implications for Tesla's stock price. The next trading day, TSLA shares opened significantly lower than the previous close, wiping billions from the company's market valuation. Investors worried that this failure indicated deeper problems with the Cybertruck's development timeline and quality control processes. Even loyal Tesla supporters found themselves struggling to defend the obvious embarrassment of the failed demonstration. The incident raised serious questions about whether Tesla had adequately tested the armor glass under real-world conditions before betting the launch on it. Engineering experts pointed out that the test itself was flawed. Throwing a steel ball at glass is not representative of real-world threats like rocks or debris. Yet the damage was done. The visual of shattering glass was far more memorable than any nuanced explanation could ever be. In the days following the launch, Tesla found itself in damage control mode. Until next time, remember, some demonstrations are better left